morning, children. This is part 2. In part 2 book, we have 8th lesson, herons formula. Okay. So herons formula means what? So that you will understand in this lesson, herons formula lesson. Okay. So you all know area of a triangle. Okay. And then now I have sent one video in that the basic whatever you need for herons formula. I have sent one video. You have to listen to that. Okay. After listening to that, you can listen this video, then you will understand very clearly. Okay. So now area of a triangle. See, there is a connection between area of triangle and herons formula. Okay. So you all know what is area of a triangle. Okay. Area of a triangle is nothing but what? Half into base into height. Okay. Now how we will get herons formula? Okay. The herons formula is area of a triangle. Okay. So when height is not given, this is what the universal formula, that is herons, area of triangle, still now we have used everywhere, and further also we are going to use this formula. When, in which situation we are using? When height is given. Okay. In a triangle, when height is given, that time we can use, this area of a triangle, that is half into base into height. Okay. But when height is not given, in some situations height is not given, then we have to use herons formula. Okay. Area of a triangle is equals to s into square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c meter square, or units. This is meter square. Here there is no unit. Okay, this is a formula. So square units. Okay, square units. So where here you must know A, B, C. What are A, B, C? A, B, C are nothing but they are the sides of the triangle. Okay. Let me draw here one triangle. Okay. Here this is A, B, C. This is a triangle. A, B, C is a triangle and sides A, B, C. Okay. A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. And S, what is S? S is semi-perimeter of a triangle. Children, you all know what is perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of a triangle is nothing but P is equals to A plus B plus C. Okay. Then what is semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter is nothing but half of the perimeter of a triangle. Okay. Semi-perimeter of a triangle is nothing but half of the perimeter of a triangle. That is, half of the means A plus B plus C divided by 2. Understood? So clear basic it is there in first video. Okay. You have to listen to that. Okay. Then if you listen that, you will get a clear basic knowledge for this, why we are using herons formula. Understood? The brief explanation of herons formula is there in that. So you have to listen to that video. Okay. Now let us, and then whatever I am explaining here, whatever notes I have given, that you have to write the notes. Okay. And now from the notes only I am explaining. Okay. Now perimeter of a triangle is A plus B plus C. Just now I told, no, A plus B plus C. Okay. Half of the perimeter is nothing but semi-perimeter. That is A plus B plus C by 2. Okay. This much is enough for the problems to solve. But why we are using herons formula instead of area of a triangle? So for that I have sent a video. The small differences why we are using is, since the perpendicular, that is height, if height is not given, see in this triangle height is not given. So in that situation we have to use herons formula. Okay. When height is given, we have to use the formula half into base into height. So once again I am repeating here, herons formula is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, that is square root of. Okay. So where S is a semi-perimeter, A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. Hope you all understood this much. Okay. And it is very easy to understand. See, A, B, C are the sides of the triangle and S is a semi-perimeter. Okay, easy to understand also. Square root of S into S. S you have to write 4 times, and for 3 times what you are writing, for that you have to subtract A, B, C. Okay, easy to understand, children. Okay, okay. Now let us see when they ask you to find out the area of a quadrilateral, okay, whose side and one diagonal are given, whose side, this one side for example, and diagonal is given, then can be calculated by dividing the quadrilateral into how many triangles? 2 triangles. Okay, using the herons formula. Okay, now so this much is enough for this lesson. Okay, now let us move to the exercise 8.1. Okay, you must understand very clearly how to simplify this. In simplification, should be very careful, and you must understand very you must you must concentrate and listen to this. Okay, exercise 8.1. Now, what is the question in 8.1? A traffic signal board indicating a school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using herons formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? Okay, so for this answer is here. So what they have given in the question, okay, they have given in the question perimeter, they have given 180 centimeter, and area we have to find out. Okay, so using herons formula. Okay, now let us draw this triangle which is equilateral. It is given in the question, it is equilateral. Okay, perimeter is equals to 180. So therefore equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. Yes or no, children? In equilateral triangle all the sides are equal, so therefore A plus A is equals to 180. See, you can see all the sides are equal, so A plus A is equals to 180. 3 times 1A, that is 3A is equals to 180 by 3. Okay, so A is equals to 180 by 3, that is when you divide this, see here you can 3 ones are 3 6 are 18, that is 60. Okay, 60, A is equals to 60 centimeter. Okay, now what is semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter, S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2, that is equal to, since all the sides are equal, okay, therefore we can write 60 plus 60 plus 60 divided by 2, that is 180 by 2, that is nothing but 90 centimeter. Now let us move to the herons formula. What is the herons formula? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, now what is S we got here? Yes, we got here 90 centimeter. So 90 into 90 minus A is 60. 90 minus 60, 90 minus 60. Understanding? Now next is 90. 90 minus 60 is 30. 90 minus 60 is 30. 90 minus 60 is 30. Now see here, you should clear, that means you should simplify this very carefully. Simply you should not multiply this one together. Okay, instead of doing that, try to find out the square numbers, whether we get square numbers from this or not. See, 9 is a square number, let it be that a square number. Then 3, separate 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, then what remains here? 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, that is nothing but 10 into 10 into 10 is 10,000. Okay, if you multiply you will get 10,000. So 9 into 3 3 is a 9 into 10,000. Okay, 10,000 into 3. So now 9, square root of 9 you all know 3, and square root of 9 is 3 into 10,000. Square root of 10,000 is what, children? 100. Okay, see, for 2 zeros 1 0, for 2 zeros 1 0. In that way also you can write. Then into 1 3 is remaining, that is square root of 3. So now 100 into 3 3 is a 9. How much you get? 900 square root of 3 centimeter square. This is what the answer. Understood? So this is what the area, okay, of a triangle. By what formula we have solved this one? By using herons formula. Okay, children. Now next, let us move to the next problem. That is, the triangular side walls of a flyover has been used for advertisements, yield and earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. Per meter square, that means per meter square, for 1 square meter 5,000 per year. This is what? For 1 year. Understood? A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? Okay. Now let us see what is given here in this problem. It is given that A is equals to 122 meters. They have given A is a triangular side walls of a flyover has been used for advertisements yield an earning of 5,000 per meter square per year. A company yield one of its walls for how many months? 3 months. How much rent did it pay? Okay. So now let us see here. A is given 122 meter, B is 22 meter and C is 120 meter. Okay. So now what is semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter is S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. S is equals to 122 plus 22 plus 120 divided by 2. S is equals to 200 after adding this 264 divided by 2. S is equals to 132 meters. Now area of a triangle, that is nothing but area of a triangle we are finding out. Area we are finding out by what formula? Herons formula. Okay, what is Heron's formula? S into square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So now square root of what is S we got here? 132 into S again 132 minus A is 122. Then 132 minus 22, 132 minus 120. Now 132 into 132 minus 122 is nothing but 10. Okay. So if you subtract how much you get? 10. Then 132 minus 22, if you subtract 110 into 132 minus 120 is nothing but 12. Okay. Now 132 into 10, 1320. Then again if you multiply this 10 into 12, okay, you will get 1320. Okay, square root of 1320 into 1320 is equals to how much you get? 1320 meter square. Rent for 1 meter square for 1 year is rupees 5,000. Rent for 1 meter square for 1 month is 5,000 divided by 12. Okay, so now 12, how we got 12? For 1 year, understood? 1 year. So instead for 1 year it is given 5,000. For 1 month if you want to convert, then we have 12 months in a year. So therefore we have to divide by 12. Okay. Now rent for 1 meter square for 3 months is equals to 5,000 divided by 12 into 3. So now 5,000 divided by, we got 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Now got here 5,000 divided by 4. Now rent for 1,320 meter square for 3 months is equals to 5,000 divided by 4 into 1,320. So if you simplify this 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12, 1 remains again 4 3s are 12, 0. So here you get 330. Now 5,000 into 330, that is equals to, if you multiply you will get 16,50,000 rupees. Okay, this is second problem. Okay children.